Okay. Okay. So I think the teacher come in just now. You can click the course, okay? You can click the YIC TTT and you will scroll down until the learning resource, okay? And then you will see the intro to add eventer. Okay, after you click in, they will show the books like this, okay? Intro to add eventer. Okay, so before we start, okay, we need to use the computer lah, okay? Computer with Google Chrome. Okay, so every teacher and mentor need to use the Google Chrome browser lah, okay? Okay, another teacher.
Yang ditunjuk tu course.
Okay, so cikgu kalau nak cari itu module books, boleh tekan inilah, okay? Course, okay nanti ya saya tekan course lagi. Oops. Okay, maybe I go back. Okay, so cikgu boleh tengok dia ada YIC TTT lah, okay? So cikgu klik ini YIC TTT. Okay, so cikgu boleh klik inilah, okay, modules. Okay, klik modules. Okay, boleh cikgu akan tengok macam inilah, okay. Dia ada learning welcome to YIC TTT. Okay, learning resource. Okay, so lepas tengok itu learning resource, dia ada module books here lah, inilah, okay. C332A, Intro to App Inventor. So cikgu boleh klik inilah, okay. So after klik ini, dia module books tengok macam inilah, okay.
Macam inilah.
Okay, so next, okay, so we go to see the pages, the README first, okay. Okay, so before we start, we need to use the computer, okay, with the Google Chrome browser lah, okay. So so every teacher, if don't have the Google Chrome, so please download the Google Chrome lah, okay. Okay. So next, Android phone. Okay, but not only Android phone, iPhone also can be used for the app inventor lah, okay? Because we have the for the app store lah, okay? You can download at app store later. Okay, for your iPhone. Okay, this one is the mentor folder. So teacher can click this link lah, okay, about the Foreign Chewbacca Asia. Okay, so they will show the link, they will show the website like this. Okay, so teacher need to scroll down until the mentor folder lah, okay. They have right mentor folders. Okay, so download the resource you need for our programs. So which program you are using, so you can download at here lah, okay. For example, I use the Intro to Add Inventor, right? Okay, so you can find the number lah, okay. C332A. Okay, C332A lah, okay. Okay, so teacher okay, so teacher can download this mentor folder. I also will share to the chat inside lah, okay. So easily to get the link. Okay, I share inside the chat. Okay. So I already share inside it. So teacher can click inside the link lah, okay, to download the mentor folder. Okay. So inside the mentor folder, is later you will use okay, use for your books, because they have the tutorial, you can follow it lah, okay, and something for the setup for USB connection. Okay. So next one is about the setup lah, okay. So we have 3 ways to use the app, MIT app lah, okay, to connect for your phone. Okay, so you see here, okay, so you see they have 3 lah, okay. We see the first one. So this is normal recommended setup. Yeah, so every time we will use the first setup lah, okay? So first setup is you will need internet Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so first one is using the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so both the computer and phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that's me. My Wi-Fi network need your phone Wi-Fi and the computer need the same name lah. Okay, for example, I use this Wi-Fi KB1021. So my phone also need to connect this name lah. Okay, they need to use the same Wi-Fi networks. Okay, so this is the first one. So later I also use the first one to do lah. Okay, second and third one I didn't try. I tried the third one before, but second one I didn't try it. So teacher can also try it first lah. Okay, if you for time for free. Okay, so the second one is using the using the USB connection now. Okay, if your Wi-Fi is not very stable or cannot connect, so you can use the USB connection. Okay. However, this setup need to complete before the class is lengthy lah. Okay, so this one I didn't say this one for this one. So this one you can see the setup instruction in the mentor folder lah. Okay, inside the mentor folder they have give the instruction how to set up a USB connection. Okay, so teacher, if you have time to free time, so you can see it first lah. Okay. Okay, so the third one is about if you don't have the Android phone or iPhone or iPad or tablet, you don't have it, so you can use this one. Okay, this one is about the emulator. Okay, so this one also need to take a lot of time to install the app inventor for the emulator lah. Okay, so you can click this link. They will show how to set up lah. Okay, how to set up the emulator. Okay, so just like this. Is it have any question? If no, I will continue to go to the next one. Okay. If you want to ask some question, you can unmute or you want to write inside the chat. You can write it. Okay. Okay, so inside the content, they have three chapter lah. Okay. We see in the time, maybe we just can do the air first lah. Okay, we doing the air first. Okay, air is about the setup. Okay, set up your app inventor first lah. Okay. Okay, so so everyone need to open the Google Chrome lah. Okay, open the Google Chrome and search the new app inventor. Okay, so search the Google, use the Google to search this one. Okay, app inventor. So you will see the app inventor like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can click this one also. Like if you cannot find the, maybe I close this link first. Okay. So if you cannot find the app inventor tool, so you can click this one. Okay, MIT app inventor. So we click inside it. So cikgu boleh jumpa tak? Okay. So after you click the app inventor, okay. So if you want to create the apps, so you need to click this one. Okay, create apps. Okay, so we click create apps. Okay, so they tell you to sign in the account. Okay. Okay, sign in with your Google account. Create a new account if you don't have one. Okay, kalau cikgu dah ada Google account, so cikgu kena sign up the Google account first lah. Okay. Okay. Allow the app access to your Google account. Okay. So just like this. Okay, so kalau cikgu ada Google account, so cikgu boleh direct click lah. Okay, direct to click the account first lah. Okay, so we sign in first. Okay. Okay, after sign in, so you will see the page like this, okay? Okay, so this one is my ID now, okay? The apps. Okay. Okay, so after you come in, you can start the new project now, okay? Mm, okay. So how to create the new project? Okay, I go back to my project first. Okay, so in the main page like this, right? Okay, you see they have the button to click this one, okay? Start new project. Okay, so we click start new project. Okay, so what project name we need to write? Okay, key in talking button as your first project. Okay, so you need to key in the project name talking button. Okay. Mm, okay. Because I have the talking button, okay, I need to delete the talking button first. Okay, because I have another Kelantan, so I did another the talking button one. Okay, so I move to stress first. Okay, so I click new one. Okay, we write the project name talking button. Button don't have S. Okay, talking button. Okay, so after you write the project name, you click OK. Okay, because I have the talking button in my in here, so I need to name another lah. Okay, so talking button one. Okay, I also have the talking button one. Okay, talking button two. Okay, so need to give some time. They will generate the app. Okay, so you will see after you create the project, so you will see the screen like this. Okay. Is it I can minimize? Okay, I can minimize it. Okay, like this lah. Okay, the screen look like this. Okay. So next one, is it okay for this part first? Okay, is it okay? Is it any teacher or any mentor cannot follow?
Okay.
Okay, right? Okay, if I talking too fast, you need to tell me lah. Okay. Okay, so second one, we need to set up the MIT AI companion on your phone, on your mobile phone now. Okay. Okay, so for let's say for the Android phone, you need to launch your Google Play Store. Okay, Google Play Store. Okay, you need to download the MIT AI companion now. Okay, AI 2 companion. Okay, so it's this one now. Okay, MIT AI companion. Okay, okay, for iPhone user, so you can go to your app store. You can find this name lah. Okay, MIT App Inventor. Okay, so you can find you try to find inside the app store is it can download or not. Okay, so after you download the apps okay. Okay, maybe I give some time to let teacher download the apps first. Okay. If let's say teacher cannot find the name, cannot find this icon, so you need to tell me lah. Okay. I see why. Yeah. So I may help you lah. So I may help everyone. Okay. Okay. So okay. So we wait. Okay. Okay. 3:35. I will go to the next one. Okay. So I give teacher to download. I give teacher and mentor to download the MIT first lah. Okay. 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 Give me a second. I see what's it. Okay. Nothing else. Okay. So is it every teacher already download the Google? The MIT? Hmm. Is it all the teacher already download the MIT on your phone? You can raise your hand. Is it can raise your hand? Okay. If can raise your hand, you can raise it lah. Okay. Mm, okay. If don't have any questions, so I will go to the next step. Okay. Okay. So next one. Okay. So we need to generate a QR code first lah. So how to generate the QR code on the at the app inventor? Okay, so teacher, you go to the app inventor. Okay, you click the connect. Okay, click connect AI companion. Okay, click AI companion. Okay, I share my phone screen now. Okay, I start sharing my phone screen. Okay, so you will see how to connect the AI companion now. The QR code now. Okay, okay. So how to connect? Okay, I go to the main screen. Okay, restart a companion. So teacher need to connect your own one now. Okay, don't connect my QR code lah. Okay, okay. So I already scanned the QR code. Okay, just give them time. Okay, so they will show the white screen now. Okay, on my phone. Okay, so teacher try by your own QR code lah. Okay, connect your own your app inventor website lah. Okay, okay, don't connect my one lah. If connect my one, they will make some error things in here lah. Okay, okay. So generate QR code. Okay, so you open the MIT App Inventor tool, okay, and scan the QR code. Okay, so you will see your computer and your phone are now synchronized. Okay, whatever you see on your computer will appear on your phone in real time. Okay, so you will see okay, if let's say I do something inside my screen here, okay. Okay, for example, I put the button inside the screen. Okay, you see inside your phone. Okay, you see inside your phone MIT phone your phone okay, in the MIT apps, you will see your phone already have one button inside the apps okay. Okay, for example, I share my phone screen okay. Okay, let's see is it teacher have any question? Oh no. Okay, so I share my phone screen. Okay, so you will see my apps already have the text for button one okay. Okay, so I put another one. For example, I put label. Okay, I put the label. So you will see my phone screen already show the label one now. Okay, text for label one. Okay, like this. So is it okay for this part?
Yes, okay.
Okay, right? Okay. So I go to okay, maybe I see okay. So 8:40 I will go to the next one now, okay? Okay. So if let's say teacher have any question, you can unmute yourself and yeah, you can unmute yourself or you want to write inside chat also can. Okay. Mm. Okay, let's see. Oops. Is it I can open chat? Okay, this one. Okay, so I go to the next part. Okay, so next part is talking about is now is create the first app now. Okay, so we need to okay, so create the mobile apps. Okay, so in now here, so we need to create the apps. Okay, okay, watch a video and create a mobile apps. Okay, so we see the video first. Okay. So you also can open inside your mentor folder to watch the video. Okay, so I share the video. Talk to me one. Okay, I see is it have shared the computer sound or not.
Hi, welcome to App Inventor's Hour of Code.
We're here at the MIT Center for Mobile Learning. I'm Shay.
And I'm Emily. Today we're going to show you how to build your first Android app.
Today's app is called Talk to Me because, well, it talks to you. It's quite simple. You press a button and the phone speaks a phrase out loud.
Welcome to App Inventor.
Can you make it say anything?
Pretty much.
I could have fun with this one.
Okay, let's get started. To get started building an app, click the Create button from the App Inventor homepage, appinventor.mit.edu. You'll need a Google account to log in. This can be a Gmail account or a school account if your school uses Google Apps for Education. You can dismiss this splash screen for now. When you go into App Inventor for the first time, you won't have any projects, so click New Project in the upper left. Our first app is called Talk to Me. App Inventor project names can't have spaces, so type in Talk to Me with no spaces. Now you're in the design window, where you can set up the components and the layout of your app. Our app needs a button component, so click on Button, and then drag it over to the viewer, and then drop it. One of the neatest things about App Inventor is that you can see your app on your phone while you're building it. Let's get your phone connected so that you can see the app take shape and test it out as you go. Now, if you don't have an Android phone or tablet, you can still do this tutorial, but you'll need to pause this video and go read the instructions for starting an Android emulator on your computer. You can find out how to do that and also get lots of other helpful information by clicking on Guide. Now, to get your Android phone connected to App Inventor, go up to the Connect menu and choose AI Companion. You'll need to have the App Inventor Companion app on your phone or tablet. It's very easy to do this. Just click on Need help finding the companion app? This takes you to the Google Play Store to download the app. The easiest thing to do is to open a QR code reader on your phone and scan the QR code. You could also go to the Play Store and search for MIT AI2 Companion. Okay, so once you've gotten the MIT AI2 Companion app installed, you'll need to start it up on your phone. If you've closed the connection window in App Inventor, click once again on the Connect menu and choose AI Companion. The connection window that pops up shows you a 6-character code and a QR code. On the companion app on your phone, click the button scan QR code. If you don't have a camera on your phone, you can just type in the 6-character code and then click Connect with Code. Great! Now your phone is connected in real time to App Inventor. You should see the button that we've already added to the app. From now on, all of the changes you make to your app will show up on the phone right away. Seems like magic, right? Well, if you disconnected from App Inventor, you would no longer see the app on the phone. To get the app to stay on your phone, or to pass it along to a friend's phone, you'll have to package it up. But we'll talk about how to do that later. Notice that the button we've added says Text for Button 1 on it. Let's change that. Over here on the right is the Properties pane. This is where you can set the properties for all of the components in your app. To change the text that shows up on the button, click on Text and type in Talk to Me. Notice on your connected phone that the button's text changes there. Cool, right? Great. So we only need one more component for this app before we go into the blocks to start programming. Go to Media and drag out a text-to-speech component. Click on it, drag it over to the view, and drop it. You'll notice that it drops down to the bottom under Non-Visible Components. That's all for components. Now that we've set the components for our app, we need to specify what the components should do. For that, we click on Blocks. And now you're in the Blocks editor. The Blocks editor is where you click blocks together to set the behavior of your app. We want our app to respond to a button click, so go to Button 1 and see all of the blocks that go with a button. Choose Button 1.click and drop it in the work area. Now we have to put in the blocks to tell the app what to do when the button is clicked. Go to the text-to-speech component, click on it, and see all of the blocks that go with text-to-speech. Choose Call text-to-speech.speak and drag it over to the When Button 1.click block. It will fit right inside and you will hear a click when the blocks connect. I love that sound. Now we have one more thing to add before testing the app out. Notice that we have a blank socket here. We have to tell the Speak block what to say. To do that, go to the text drawer under Built-in Blocks. Take a blank text block and bring that over. Click it right into the text-to-speech.speak block. Another satisfying click. Now click on that empty text block and type, "Congratulations, you've made your first app." Okay, you can test the app now.
Okay, okay, I pause at here. Okay, so we will do about how to make your phone talking lah. Okay. Okay, so we start at here. Okay, because I already put the button inside my phone, so I continue to use it at here lah. Okay. Okay, so I delete this one first. Okay, if let's say teacher put a lot of things inside your apps, you can click, you need to click components at here lah, okay? So you click components, what components you want to delete, you click delete. So they will delete the component inside your screen. Okay, okay, so after we put the button, okay, we need to rename our button name lah, okay? Because our button name is text for button 1, right? Okay, so we need to rename. Okay, I enlarge it first. Okay, if let's say I want to rename, okay, I need to click the component button 1. Okay, so you find the text, okay? So you can scroll down, see the properties lah, okay? See the properties. Okay, you will see the text. Okay, so you see the text, you can rename it. Okay, the tutorial say talk to me, right? Okay, talk to me. Okay, after you write talk to me, you click, okay, after you type, you just key in the enter, so they will change the name at here, okay? Okay, so So after we change the name, okay, so we need to add one more component. It's about text speaking, right? Okay, we see. Okay, text to speech. Okay, so how to find the text to speech? Okay, you see they have the Padlet. Okay, you can use search component. Also, or you want to click any things you want to find out. Okay, okay. If let's say I want to find find the text to speech. Okay, so teacher need to scroll down. Okay, you will see the media, right? So you click media. Okay, have the text to speech. Okay, so you click and drag. Okay, so you already add one component inside here, okay? And this one text to speech one is the non-visible component. Okay, they didn't show inside your screen. Okay, it's the visible one. It's the non-visible one. Okay, you cannot see anything, but you already add inside the component. Okay. Okay, so after you put this thing, this component, okay, we need to create the coding. Okay, we need to create the coding. So we need to click blocks. Okay, they have the designer and blocks beside here. Okay, so you can click blocks. Okay, to do the coding for your apps. Okay, designer is for design your apps. Okay, design your app screen. Okay, so we go back to the blocks. Okay, we need to add one blocks. It's about this. Okay, so every teacher and mentor. So you click button one. Okay, button one. So you will see when button one dot click. Okay, so we click and drag, put at the space at here lah. Okay, viewer here. Viewer here. Okay. Okay, so we already put one blocks. Okay, so let's say we need to let the phone talking. Okay, so we need to click this one, text to speech. Okay, text to speech. Okay, they have the call text to speech one dot speak message. Okay, so we click and drag. Okay, so we put inside the when button one now. Okay, okay. After we put, they will make the sound lah. Okay, they will make click the sound lah. Okay. Okay. So last one, we need to add the text okay, space text. Okay, so we click text. So you will see the space at here lah. Okay, they didn't write anything. So we click and drag. Put behind the speak message. Okay, so if let's say you want to let your phone talking, so we need to write some word inside here lah. Okay, for example, welcome to app inventor. Okay, so after you write the words, okay, so I share my full screen. Okay, I share my full screen. Okay, I click the add inventor. Okay, so this is my full screen lah. Okay. Okay, so if I click the button, so every teacher please try it lah. Okay, click the button. Okay, maybe I need to open my full sound.
Welcome to App Inventor.
Okay.
Welcome to App Inventor.
So you will hear the phone talking lah. Okay.
Welcome to App Inventor. Welcome to App Inventor.
Okay, welcome to App Inventor. Okay, it's a same with I write lah. Okay, welcome to App Inventor. Okay. Is it okay for this one? Is it have any question?
Okay.
Okay, right?
All good.
Okay, good. Okay, look looks also okay. Okay, all good. Okay, good. Okay, so we have 6 more minutes. Let me see. Inside the video, is it have another things need to talk? Okay, so I share my computer screen again. Okay. Okay, let's see. Is it have any question or not? Sorry for the type. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, we continue to see the video.
Are endless.
Can we make it respond to shaking?
Back here. Button.
Congratulations, you've made your first app.
If you had any trouble with this tutorial, you can view the written version on our website.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, see you later.
Wait, get back here.
Well, I thought the app would be a little cooler. I can talk to myself.
Patience, young one. Now that we know how to use App Inventor, the possibilities are endless.
Can we make it respond to shaking?
Yeah.
Or let the user input their own text?
Absolutely. In fact, in our next video, that's just what we're going to do. We'll make it so that when someone shakes the phone, it talks, and also so that the user can put in their own text.
Awesome, I can't wait.
It's fun and interesting. Okay. So I also see someone say it's fun and interesting. Yeah. So you can do a lot of possibility inside your phone now, okay? Inside the app inventor. Okay. So I think time almost right. Maybe we have another 10 minutes to do. This one enhance the apps. Okay. Enhance the apps. I see is it have time can do or not. Okay, so if let's say we don't have any time to do, so teacher can continue to try the next one. Okay, enhance the apps. Okay, so how to see the video? You also you can find inside your mentor folder lah. Okay, talk to me too. Okay, okay. Yeah. So before we end the session, is it have any question? Want to ask it? Before we end the session. If no, maybe we take 9 more minutes to do lah, okay? To do the apps. Okay. How about is it have any Q&A? Is it have is it something need to ask, like for example the in the competition, how to use the apps to do the inside the competition? I think a lot of mentor are here. How about teacher? Is it have any question? Okay, if not, okay, maybe we will continue do the enhance first, okay? We do some enhance first, and after like 9:05, 9:05 p.m. So we will leave the session now, okay? And later need to go back to the TTT session Zoom link lah, okay? Don't forget it. Okay, before that we do this one first. Okay, let's skip some.
Hi, welcome back to App Inventor's Hour of Code. I'm Emily.
And I'm Shay. In our last video, we showed you how to make the Talk to Me app. You push a button, and the phone talks to you.
So cool.
Well, we had to start somewhere.
I'm ready to get to the cool stuff.
Okay, now we're going to extend the Talk to Me app so that it responds when you shake it, and also so that a user can put in their own text.
Stop shaking me.
Cool enough for you now?
I see endless opportunities. I can go on a run and get constant encouragement.
Great. So we're going to get started, and the great thing is this only takes a couple of minutes because App Inventor makes it really easy. Is your phone talking to you? Well, hang on, because it's about to get even more fun. We left off with our Talk to Me app in the blocks editor. Right now, we need to go back into the designer to add another component. We want to extend Talk to Me so that the phone speaks when you shake it. To do that, we need an accelerometer component. Click on the Sensors drawer and drag out an accelerometer sensor. This is another non-visible component, so it drops down to the bottom of the screen. That's all we need for right now. Go back over to the blocks editor. As you develop your apps, you'll move back and forth between the designer and the blocks editor quite a bit. We now need a block for when the phone is shaking. This is also called an event handler. Drag out the when accelerometer sensor 1.shaking block. So when this event is triggered, that's when the phone is being shaken. What do we want to happen then? We want the phone to talk to us, right? So we already know the blocks that handle that. The same blocks that we have inside the button click event. Here's a cool shortcut that will help you program in App Inventor even more quickly. You can copy and paste blocks. Click on the purple text-to-speech block. Hit the key combination on your computer for copy, just like you would do with text, and then hit the key combination for paste. Voila! You have a new set of the text-to-speech and text blocks. Drag this new set down into the accelerometer shaking event block. If you had any trouble copying and pasting blocks, that's okay. You can also drag out new blocks from the drawers on the left. Remember, we got the text-to-speech.speak block from text-to-speech, and we got the plain text block from the built-in text drawer. So right now the phone will speak out loud if you shake it. But wouldn't it be much more fun if the phone says something about being shaken? Let's put in a funny phrase. I'm going to type in, "Stop shaking me." Okay, try it out. Pick up your phone and shake it.
Stop shaking me.
So our app is pretty cool, right? But wait, there's one more thing to add. Imagine sharing this app with your friends. Don't you think it would be a lot more fun if they could tell the phone what to say? To set this up, go back into the designer, go to the user interface drawer, and pull out a text box. Let's rearrange that a bit and put the button under the text box. Okay, guess what? Back to the blocks. Click on text box and look at the blocks it has. We now want to change what happens when the button is clicked. Instead of saying a fixed phrase, we want the app to say whatever the user has typed into the text box. Scroll all the way down to the green blocks that we call getters and setters, because they allow you to get and set the properties of the component. You want to get the text that has been typed into the box, so you need the getter block for textbox1.text. Put that block inside the when button click event block. To do this, you have to throw away the old text block and then click this new textbox.text block in its place. Try your app out again. When you click in the blank text box on your phone, your keyboard will come up and you can type in whatever you want. Then click Talk to Me and see what happens.
Hello world.
Okay, so we try something first. Thank you for sharing. We'll rush the video record later because I need to leave first to tuition. Oh, okay. So don't forget to see the TTT session also lah, okay? Okay. So okay, so for another teacher and mentor, so we continue do this one first lah, okay? Until we finish something. Okay, so we go back to the designer. Okay, we go back to the designer. Okay, we need to put two different components. Okay, one is about accelerometer sensor. Okay, so we put accelerometer sensor inside our screen now. Okay, it's same with the text to speech is a non-visible components. Okay, we cannot see we didn't see inside the screen now. Okay, but the function is also working. Okay. So user interface. Okay, another one is about the text box, right? Okay, for the text box, you can find at the user interface. Okay, so we find the text box first. Okay, so text box is the last third now. Okay, so we put at the above here. Okay, we also can arrange if you put wrong at the you put at the below. If let's say you put wrongly, so you can click and drag again. Okay, you can change the arrange on your screen here. Okay. Okay. So after we put the text box, okay, we do the coding. Okay, we do the coding. Okay, the coding, one is for shaking coding. Another one is we use the text box to let the phone talk something. Okay. Okay, so for shaking, okay. So if let's say we want to shake our phone, so we use this one. When accelerometer sensor one dot shaking, okay, we click and drag. Okay, click and drag here. Okay, so how to duplicate the coding here? So we can right click here. Okay, right click the call text to speech. Okay, so you will see the duplicate. Okay, so you click duplicate. Okay, so you can put at the accelerometer sensor. Okay, accelerometer sensor dot shaking. Okay, okay, so you also can change the words. Okay, for example, stop shaking me. Sorry, stop shaking me. Okay. Okay, stop shaking me lah. Okay. Okay, for the text box, okay, so we can click the text box one, okay, at the blocks, okay, text box one, okay, we can scroll down, okay, we can scroll down here, okay, so you will see they have the one blocks, it's called text box one dot text. Let me find, okay, text box one dot text, okay, here. Okay, we use these blocks. Text box one dot text. Okay, we click and drag. Okay, we replace the blocks. Okay, okay. For let's say if we want to delete these blocks. Okay, so you can see the below right below here they have the recycle bin, right? Okay, so we can click and drag to delete the blocks. Okay. Also, you can, I think also right click, you also can delete, right? Okay, cannot. Okay, so we click and drag to the recycle bin to delete the blocks. Okay, we delete the blocks. Okay, so after we delete, okay, so so every mentor and teacher, please try it out. Is it your apps, is it working or not now? Okay. I share my phone screen. Okay. I share my phone screen. I open back my App Inventor. Okay. So for example, I try to shake my phone. Okay, I try.
Stop shaking me.
Okay. So I shake my phone.
Stop shaking me.
They will say the words I type. Okay. Stop shaking me.
Stop shaking me.
Okay. Okay, for example, for talk to me, you can write some text word at here. Okay, for example, hi everyone. Oh, don't go. Hi everyone. Okay, so after I type the text box, okay, so you click you click the talk to me.
Hi everyone.
So they will say hi everyone. Okay?
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. My name is everyone.
Hi everyone. My name is everyone.
Okay.
Stop shaking me.
Okay, so is it okay for this part?
Stop shaking me.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, good. How about another mentor and teacher? Okay. Okay, before we end of the session, is it have any Q&A want to ask? Because tomorrow I explore more later. Okay, good. Okay, so before we end of the session, okay, so So teacher, please try it out by yourself lah, okay? Because tomorrow we need to do some project lah, okay? We need to do in that session you need to do some project lah, okay? By yourself with the team lah, okay? So also mentor also lah, okay? You also need to do with your teacher and another mentor lah, okay? Okay, before we leave, is there have any Q&A want to ask? For example, like asking about YIC competition, is it I can use another software or not? Okay. If no, if nothing question, so I think that's all for this session now. Okay. So okay. So teacher, please try explore more by your own now. Okay. Teacher and mentor, please explore by your own because this book only have 20 pages. If let's say you want to learn more, you need to tell us, okay? Because this one is only 20 pages to let you learn, okay? Also ID Arduino also have the app. Also teach this one about the app inventor. Okay, you also can explore about the Arduino books. Okay.
Mr. Chong,
Yeah, is there have any question? Miss Kisha.
sebelum ni ada ke pertandingan yang melibatkan apps ni? Boleh tak saya nak tengok macam the example of the video sebab macam sama-sama lagi dia punya apa? Macam mana nak pakai that apps ni dalam project tu?
Oh, if kalau macam ini, saya nak cari lah kerana video ini kerana last year banyak student guna app inventor dan Arduino buat itu project lah. Yeah. So yeah. So cikgu boleh cari YIC 2021. Okay, this one lah, okay. Young Innovator Challenge. So cikgu boleh cari dalam di sini. Dia banyak student buat itu project dalam di sini lah, okay. Some dah Young Innovator Challenge. Yeah.
Sebab yang banyakkan yang saya tengok semua pakai Arduino kan?
Ya, banyak student guna Arduino atau ya. Kalau macam ini, maybe saya nak cari lah, okay. Kerana kita ada satu banyak team guna apps atau guna apps dan Arduino buat itu project lah, okay. So dalam competition ini, cikgu dalam team ini cikgu boleh guna Arduino sahaja, like microcontroller lah, okay. Ya, dia boleh guna Arduino sahaja atau guna buat itu mobile application lah, okay. Buat
apps dengan Arduino maknanya kita connect app tu pada Arduino ke macam mana?
Arduino kena connect dalam mobile apps both lah, okay. Ya, dia nak tulis satu coding untuk mobile apps dan mobile apps pun nak buat satu coding untuk Arduino lah, ya. So ya. So for competition boleh guna microcontroller sahaja atau boleh guna mobile apps, mobile application sahaja atau dua-dua pun boleh lah.
Yeah. Oh, mobile, kalau pakai mobile app sahaja, dia compulsory mesti pakai yang MIT ni lah.
Cikgu boleh guna app inventor atau source lain lah. Yeah, because dia bagi ialah itu example include. So that's mean like they use these two to do lah. Okay. Okay. So you can, if you don't want to use, if let's say you don't want to use App Inventor and Android Studio, you can also use another resource about how to do the mobile application. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Choong.
Yeah. Okay. So do you have the PDF version of Arduino Project Handbooks? Because actually in Chewbacca is flipbook version, really hard to refer. Okay. You asked about this. Because I think you can click this one, right? Arduino IDE or okay, let me see. Okay, okay, so Cikgu Syakisa ini sahajalah ya. Untuk competition ini kerana ada satu privately to ask my question lah. Ya.
Okay.
Okay, so teacher also boleh dengar lah. Okay, okay, access to elective Arduino project. Okay, saya tengok IC ya. Okay, how to access it? I cannot find the QR slip. Okay, let's see. Arduino IDE. I think not this one, right? Or this one. Okay, so mentor, is it use the free book? Is it? Okay. If let's say you are using the free book, okay, this one I'm not very sure because they already setting to use the flip like that lah. Okay. If let's say if you want to use PDF, I need to ask it first lah. Okay. Okay, check inside your Arduino correlate to yourself. Okay. Okay, I need to ask it first if you want to use the PDF. Okay. Because they already setting to use the flip book. Okay. So is there have any question before we leave? Okay. So after you leave, so every teacher and mentor, after you leave, please go back to the session now, okay, TTT session, because they have some another things need to discuss inside the TTT session now, okay. So I think that's all for here. Okay, good. Okay, so I close the meeting. So please go back to the TTT session now. Okay. Maybe I share the I share the link first. Give me a second. I need to find the screen. Not screen. I need to find the. Okay, this one, right? I need to share. Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask lah. Okay, so we also have after this one, we also will record it. After we upload it, we will share the video lah. Okay. Maybe tomorrow or late after the TTT lah. Okay. Okay, so I close the meeting. Please go back to the Zoom link lah. Okay.